Is it 8 or is it 7? Wait, hold on. Whoa, did you hear that hiccup? There's only 7. Jesus, that was a weird... I don't know. I don't know. I swear to you. I think it was a burp hiccup.